here along Andrews Avenue with Meralco with Sir Manong Joe. So Manong Joe will explain to us why is it important to regulate the spaghetti wires of Meralco and why is this happening right now?
Well, this operation has been ongoing, and as we speak, we continue to implement what we call our anti-urban blight campaign. This is in order to ensure the safety of our customers and the communities we serve. From February 28 up to March 26, we expect this area to traverse even all the way to Parañaque, where we will continue to take down illegal facilities that were installed in our poles, and if necessary as well, ensure that our poles are safe. And this can also include pole relocation activities. Now, why are we doing this for the public? Actually, not only the public, in general, but also specifically for motorists. As we know, all of our facilities all over the Meralco franchise area are located in areas where motorists traverse on a regular basis. So we need to ensure that it's safe as well for motorists. And so for our visor friend, we just like to assure you that this campaign is targeted for motorist safety as well. And we will continue to implement this in the coming months and years.